Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0016 indicates a correlation issue between the Camshaft Position CMP Sensor A and the Crankshaft Position CKP Sensor. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is stored when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the phase difference between the intake camshaft phase measured from CMP Sensor A and the standard phase value exceeds acceptable limits. The CMP and CKP sensors play vital roles in engine timing, allowing the PCM to manage engine performance effectively. Specifically, the CMP sensor monitors the position of the camshaft, while the CKP sensor assesses the crankshaft's position to ensure optimal timing and synchronization during engine operation. The location of these sensors typically aligns along the engine structure. The CMP sensor is found near the camshaft, whereas the CKP sensor is often near the crankshaft pulley. Addressing this DTC is crucial for maintaining overall engine efficiency and performance. The error described by DTC P0016 highlights a discrepancy between the intake camshaft phase relayed by CMP Sensor A and the standard phase value expected by the PCM. Essentially, the Camshaft Position Sensor informs the PCM about the precise position of the intake camshaft, which is crucial for timing engine events. If the data from the CMP Sensor A indicates that the camshaft is out of phase compared to its standard position, the PCM will record this as an error. The CKP sensor also works in tandem, giving the PCM information on the crankshaft's position. These components are located near the engine's top and bottom, the CMP sensor near the camshaft, and the CKP applied on the crankshaft. Together, they help regulate ignition and fuel injection timing, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Any issues in this correlation could negatively impact engine performance and should be diagnosed promptly. Several root causes may lead to the appearance of DTC P0016. First, a faulty variable timing control, VTC, oil control solenoid valve A can disrupt the oil flow needed for variable cam timing. This solenoid plays a critical role in adjusting camshaft timing based on the engine's operating conditions. Second, deviations in camshaft timing itself can occur due to mechanical wear, sensor malfunctions, or improperly calibrated components. This can lead to incorrect phasing and trigger the P0016 DTC. Additionally, problems with the cam chain, such as stretching or damage, may also result in a misalignment of gears, leading to camshaft timing issues. Lastly, if the VTC actuator is not functioning correctly, it won't properly adjust the camshaft, thus reflecting incorrect values within the PCM. Addressing these issues promptly is vital for preserving engine performance. When DTC P0016 presents itself, various symptoms may arise. Primarily, drivers may notice engine performance issues, such as a lack of power during acceleration or irregular engine idling. This irregular performance directly stems from improper timing of the engine components. Poor fuel efficiency can also manifest, as the engine may work harder to compensate for incorrect timing, thereby consuming more fuel than necessary. Additionally, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system will trigger the check engine light, alerting the driver to a potential issue that requires attention. In some cases, the vehicle may also experience rough idling or stalling, further indicating that the engine's timing mechanisms are not properly synchronized. Overall, these symptoms negatively influence driving comfort and should prompt further investigation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0016 involves ensuring that the vehicle is turned to off mode. This is crucial for safety and to allow all electronic systems to reset. Next, it is important to cool the engine below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, which helps avoid potential overheating issues while performing diagnostic tests. Once the engine is cool, restart the engine and let it idle without any load. This refers to placing the vehicle in either the P, parking, or N, neutral position, to allow the engine to run freely without engaging the transmission. During this idling phase, the technician can monitor the readings from the various sensors, including the CAM and CKP sensors, for abnormalities or inconsistencies. Ensuring this systematic approach sets a solid foundation for further diagnostics and effectively addresses the DTC. After performing the first troubleshooting step, the next procedure involves switching the vehicle to on mode. This action powers the vehicle's electronic systems and allows the technician access to diagnostic tools. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, navigate to the IN-VTC option. The HDS serves as an advanced diagnostic interface that provides valuable insights into the vehicle's status. If the results from the diagnostic test indicate any malfunctions, it confirms that the issue with the correlating sensors is present. Clear and concise diagnostic readings ensure that technicians can accurately address the problem, delivering targeted repairs. In this step, understanding the HDS functionality becomes crucial for effective troubleshooting. For the third troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle back to off mode once again and ensure the engine cools below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling the engine between tests mitigates risks associated with overheating and helps maintain consistency in results. After the cooling period, restart the engine and let it idle without load in either the P or N state. Importantly, confirm that the HDS shows the VTC status is on. This status indicates that the variable timing control system is functioning correctly and engaged. Any delays or difficulties in reaching this on status could signal issues within the VTC system or related components. Monitoring the HDS during this time provides further insights into sensor functionality and operational readiness. The final repair verification process is crucial to ensuring all identified issues have been rectified. Begin by confirming the functionalities of the CMP and CKP sensors. This ensures the information relayed to the PCM is accurate and reliable. Next, validate the camshaft adjustments to ensure that they operate within specified limits and do not exceed allowable variances. To ensure complete resolution of DTC P0016, conducting a test drive is essential. During this drive, monitor for any reoccurrence of symptoms such as rough idling, performance discrepancies, or harsh engagement. If all systems operate smoothly with no DTCs returned, it indicates a successful repair and resolution of the initial problem. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0016 and ensuring smooth engine operations. Regular inspections of the CMP and CKP sensors should be performed to detect early signs of wear or faults. It's also essential to follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Clean oil contributes to better lubrication and functionality of the VTC oil control solenoid valve. Lastly, routinely monitor the performance of the VTC system to ensure that it adjusts the camshaft timing correctly based on driving conditions. By incorporating these preventive measures, owners can enhance the longevity and efficiency of their vehicle, thereby avoiding costly repairs and enhancing overall performance. In summary, DTC P0016 signals an issue in the correlation of the camshaft position and crankshaft position sensors, which are critical for optimal engine timing. It's vital to monitor the functionalities of these sensors and follow detailed troubleshooting steps to efficiently address and rectify the issue. Proper diagnostic checks using tools such as the HDS can guide technicians in pinpointing the exact problem, allowing for a targeted approach to repairs. Regular maintenance checks can help capture potential issues before they escalate, thus ensuring the engine operates within specified parameters. By effectively monitoring the engine's dynamic systems and components, vehicle owners can maintain improved performance and prevent future disruptions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.